Alright, I'm just a couple of parking lots over from where U-Wash self-service car wash is in Lake Elsinore. Has the Laserwash 360. I have about 20 minutes to kill. Well, currently I do, but I was killing most of the time editing my footage from all the car wash videos I shot. And I was thinking, I have an additional $8 in leftover cash. And on my first visit, I wanted to do the $8, but I didn't have enough cash. Now that I do, I was thinking, why don't we head back over to try the $8 wash just for the heck of it, and to see how it compares to both the 6 and the 10. So let's head back over there and try it out, shall we? You can see it's right over there to the left. And look at that, because this person was already sitting here, we got a green arrow. Right here into the main driveway. And look, I guess I waited long enough and now there's no line. Like, there was like a 3-person line in front of me and behind me when I was filming the top $10 wash. And since there's nobody behind me, I completely forgot to point it out on my first take I took today. There is the wash options there. Goes from 10 to 6, and the 8 is what we're gonna do. I already did the 10. I filmed a video of that, and I already released a video of the 6. So let's see what the premium wash for 8 is like.
You have selected the premium car wash. Please deposit $8.
Alright, looks like it took it. $2 more. And
your purchase is complete. Please wait until the wash bay is empty.
now we sit here and wait. That person just got, see, that's the lava bath that I got in the $10 option. That, look how weak that is. Like, I guess it works, but it just kind of looks droopy and sad and weak, kind of. Alright, and now we wait for this thing to prompt us to enter.
Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please.
Totally not paying attention there. I almost went too far ahead. That guy barely used any of his dryer time. Oh, so I guess you get double pre-soak with the $8 wash too. That's nice. Please wait until the wash bay is empty. That thing is so loud, I can hear it from in here. I swear the whole neighborhood around here knows which wash every person buys. the Hamilton payment terminal at the Futura Millennium Car Wash is like that too. It's like, so you can hear it from 20 miles away. You can see how it tilts, like, so it like tilts at one angle for the front third of the car, like 1/3 of the car, and then straight sideways for the second half, and then it tilts backwards. So it really maximizes effectiveness the way how it angles itself, I guess. I like how the water pulsates because of the pump going, and so it's like, alright, so that's what is supposed to be triple foam. We'll watch it on the reverse camera. That's supposed to be, I guess not a ring curtain, just overhead manifolds. This is probably a spot for your rinse right here. That's probably going to be it after it comes up front, so I'm going to get ready to move. And there you go. Alright, so now that I've had the chance to do all 3 wash packages, 2 on one visit and 1 on a visit from, I think, last year, I think I can say that that is a solid, as I said on the $10 video, I'm going to say it again. The $8, $9, and $6 option seems like I said, it seems like a good, you know, just cheap option to clean up your car. I mean, nothing detailed or, you know, something like an express or a full service would get. But I think you can still get, like, if you have mud on your car or just a certain, you know, some dust, that will definitely do it. I mean, and I say that because if it's touchless washes will always struggle with stuff that's like caked on and on there for more than a week or 2. At that point, it's best to do soft touch or like an express car wash with brushes, or do it yourself if you really want to scrub it off yourself. But that, I mean, for a touch-free wash, it only does water, soap, and sealants. It's a pretty darn good wash, and it's like, I think this is the only self-service car wash in Lake Elsinore city limits that has an automatic bay. So yeah, that's a pretty solid recommendation for a budget place. Thank you for watching, and that is it.